This is the second question about Phil's garden, right? And once again, how wide the garden is. It's x plus 2 meters, and how long the garden is. It's given 2x minus 3 meters. Well, the garden is shown over there. Once again, they are asking you to find out the area and compare it with the first question. So let's call it AP, which is area of Phil's garden, and basically the same thing. X plus 2 is how long, sorry, how wide the garden is, timesing it by 2x minus 3, and then expanding it is you multiply these two, that gives you 2x squared, and if you multiply these two, that'll give you negative 3x. People are having little problem with the positive and negative numbers. See, this is negative, this is a positive x, so if you multiply positive x and negative 3, that'll give you negative 3x. Now if I multiply these two, that'll give you positive, another positive term, so the 2 times 2 is, and it's positive, 4x, and then I got to eventually multiply these two, positive 2, negative 3, so that will give you negative 6. Now if I simplify, those are the like terms, that'll give you 2x squared minus, it's not minus, negative 3x and positive 4x, positive 4x and negative 3x will give you just simple 1x. That's it. Now I'm going to compare area of Phil's garden and the previous one. Now I took a pause because I had to copy the, is it Jan's garden? Yes, so right, that's area of Jan's garden. This is the area of Phil's garden, and well, the question says the difference of these two. So if I go Jan's garden, which is 2x squared plus 11x minus 6, and then I am minusing this whole thing, minusing this whole thing, 2x squared plus x minus 6. See, I put within bracket because that's the whole group, and I am minusing the whole group from this group. That's one of the problems people are facing. So that gives you 2x squared plus 11x minus 6, and negative times positive, that gives you negative 2x squared. Negative times positive x gives you negative x. Negative times another negative 6, that gives you positive 6. Now simplifying, 2x squared cancels out. That means if you subtract 2x squared from 2x squared, that gives you nothing. And then 11x minus x gives you 10x. And then, once again, pretty straightforward, if you minus 6 from plus 6, that gives you 0. So the answer is 10x. So the difference of area between these two gardens is 10 times x. I'll stop there.